to meet the Lambada tribes in the Sarang Reddy district village Jamali Tanda, block Zahirabad, Telangana. Just look at these wonderful roads cutting the laterite red soil here in this region. This particular video will have photographs and lots of videos that will tell you about the culture of this fantastic tribe, the Lambada. I'm Navina Jaffa, creating, exhibiting cultures, conserving heritage. They are farmers with the Deccan Development Society, and they were nomadic, Ghumantu, but today they are doing farming with the Deccan Development Society, and conserving their cultures is an important part of the Deccan Development Society, where they were actually, when they were nomadic, they were doing agricultural labor. So their knowledge about agriculture is immense. How to plant seeds, how to plow, how to harvest, कैसे धान काटी होती है, तो वो सब वो करते थे. Then they have their own culture also. For instance, Naudar festival, जो कि जब धान कटता है तब होता है, हाँ, जब फसल कटती है तब होता है नौदार. जैसे दसरा होता है,
नहीं, दसरे के टाइम नौदार जाती है देवी को, हाँ, उसका पूजा करते हैं.
फसल को काट कर को जब वो खड़ो का,
हाँ, ऐसे,
हाँ, घटक को, हाँ, जब उसके कुछ दावत नया बना को जब वो नौदार.
So they, after a harvest, this is a harvest because their agricultural heritage is a lot. So when they cut the crop, even when they were nomadic, then they would be, make their devi devtas, their gods and goddesses sit. They would sacrifice goats or chicken and then have a feast and a lot of song. For the birth rites, when they are pregnant, then once the baby is born, on the 6th day that they have the name ceremony for the child, and then they pierce the ear, and 5 kilos of coconut, which they break and then they distribute it and they have a feast. If you notice that everything is related to the agricultural cycle, will be about, oh, let us go to see the little baby boy. I wonder how he looks. What will be his name? We will keep the name. So it is important to understand their oral history is that their migration took place from Rajasthan, and they claim that they are Banjaras, nomads, gypsies who have come along the way, all traveling all over the Lambadis, and for now generations they are in this area of the Araku Valley, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. And it's interesting that people of the Deccan Development Society, these people also have songs on agriculture. So Kishan was telling me that when rain is not coming, they talk to the plants. Oh, look, the rain is not coming. The rain is not coming. Or when they are sowing the seeds, then which millet should we sow in what kind of soil, in what kind of season. So अब शुरू एक मिनट का गाना सुना दीजिए.
पानी पड़रो सुआली, पानी पड़रो सुआली, काई गिरिया सुआली.
So this song, they said that now the water is coming. What kind of seeds should we choose to put in this kind of soil? They sow those particular seed. Before sowing, they worship Bhu Mata or the earth goddess. So you see that India is full of this agricultural heritage, and there's so much of biodiversity of different kinds of communities who have oral history and memories that conserve such a huge idea of food heritage. This is the Lambadi indigenous community. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम स्वप्ना है.
Swapna is a farmer with the Deccan Development Society, and I've come to the village Tanda, Jamala Tanda, which is in Zahirabad district. Here is the intricate way that they're braiding the hair, and it's an interesting heritage that they are going to adorn. This is the kind of embroidery they do. And here, this is the kind of the mirror work and the metal work. They make everything on their own. Nomadic by आप लोग ना पहले बहुत घुमंतु थे ना?
हाँ, घुमंतु थे.
है ना? अभी भी कुछ लोग हैं घुमंतु?
नहीं, ज्यादातर ही तो कम हो गए, अब ज्यादा नहीं है.
ज्यादा नहीं है. और आपकी कहानी कैसी है कि किस तरीके से आप लोगों ने अपने आप को क्या आपकी प्रथा है, कहाँ से आप लोग आए?
जी, हम तो राजस्थानी राजपूत गोर है, बंजारा.
अच्छा, so they claim that they have come from Rajasthan. हाँ, राजस्थान से आए हैं.
हाँ,
And गौर
गोर राजपूत.
राजपूत है. तो अभी भी आप लोग राजस्थानी बोलते हैं? राजस्थानी बोलते हैं?
नहीं, हम तो इधर पैदा हुए. हमारे पूर्वज
आए थे बाहर से. और आपकी कोई लोक कथा है कि कहाँ से कौन देवी देवता थे?
के हमारे देवी देवता हम माता को मानते हैं.
क्या
माता,
नाम है माता?
तुलजा भवानी माता.
तुलजा?
हाँ, तुलजा भवानी.
हाँ.
जी, हमारा गुरु है सेवालाल, हम उनको मानते हैं.
हाँ.
और
ये लोग नाथ भी होते हैं? नाथ नहीं,
जात रहता है हमारा, कुल अलग अलग रहता है. बंजारों में भी राठौर, पवार, चौहान.
हाँ.
हाँ.
And, इसके जो ये बाल बनाते हैं, इसका टेक्निकल नेम क्या कहते हैं इसको?
चोटला.
छोटी से.
हाँ, छोटी से चोटला.
Okay. And multiple of these, and at the end they
जुटू ऐसा डाल रहे हो, बहुत भारी डालते हो.
हाँ. And they do a bun which is hugely heavy. So this lady, see how she has put this particular ornament, and this is how they decorate. Look at this. She has. This is so beautiful.